LT4 supercharger from my Camaro, but it's a 5.3. Full bolt-ons, Boss 302, ported. See what takes it, Chevy or Ford?
Chevy or Ford, grudge match. And I need to get this truck up and ready. Don't worry about it, I'll pay for it. I did need some action for today's video. On red, I'm going for it. I mean, we're gonna put that little car on the dyno. RPM! Straighten out your wheel! Straighten out the wheel! Ready?
Yeah, you ride with him?
Yeah. Alright guys, so it's Ford versus Chevy right now. We're gonna be in that truck. What does this truck have?
It's a supercharger, long tube headers. It has basically LT4 supercharger from my Camaro, but it's a 5.3. Been waiting for 5 months for this guy, so.
What do you have on yours?
It's a full bolt-ons, Boss 302, ported.
Turns out real good.
Hopefully, man. See what takes it, Chevy or Ford?
Chevy or Ford, grudge match. Piece of shit. I need coffee.
What's the point of that?
And that is a badass red, bro. And this shit's gonna look fire.
Look at the flakes. Look at the flakes.
And that bitch is gonna be fire. Right now, I'm over here dropping off the GMC at David's shop right here. My best friend from high school days. I wanted to do it with Pop Exclusive, but he has so much work going on, and I need to get this truck up and ready. So I already talked to David. We're gonna be taking this truck apart, taking out the motor, taking it to velocity. Then we're gonna be taking it all apart, trying to paint the frame black, and start prepping her and paint her red again. Putting the HD bumper. I got the cow hood coming in. And, she'll be good to go, guys. Probably like done in a whole month. Not just...
It's all up to you, Omar. You gotta put your hands-on work on it.
No, that's what I'm gonna do. But we'll just see how everything turns out. Yeah, so much work. Today is a chill day.
Are you excited for your new project?
Yeah.
Are you depressed?
I'm a little bummed out. Please don't. Okay, got it out of my system.
Swinging and banging.
Hit up Top Speed Collision for all y'all's need.
Man, thank you very much for the loaner for now.
Look good in it too.
I look good in it because it's blue. For some reason I can't skate blue.
This is little blue.
We got a little car, guys. Woo woo. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to little Camila's 3rd birthday party, and basically she got baptized and they're throwing a party, Freddy. And I came across this family that says that fighting with cancer, need help for chemo, and right now I only got 50 bucks in my wallet, so I'm just gonna give him that. I've been blessed lately, so I just want to bless somebody else. It takes a lot for somebody to come out there and just talk about their problems for money, and it hurts my soul when I see stuff like that. So I'm gonna help out as much as I can. Just give me 50 bucks. So yeah, I don't know. I don't want to record them. I don't want to put a camera in their face. So I don't know if you guys can see. All right there. So yeah, they gave me one of these right here. You know, my mom had breast cancer, so I know that feeling. So I wanted to help out. He said it only takes $10. And this car will be good to go. This thing has been so fun driving. Oh, I lost the damn key. Oh, I found the key. I also bought little Camila some flowers because I didn't get to go to the baptism. All right, let's see how much did it fill up. Close to half a tank for $10. That's pretty cool. Honestly, I am enjoying driving this little car. I'm doing things that normal car can't do, and this feels like a go-kart. I got some coffee too. So right now I'm going to the party of little Camila. Going to see what's going down.
Drive forward. He gonna have.
Yeah, but then it's gonna hit us.
It's gonna be alright.
And we lifting from the f***ing back, and he front wheel drive.
Yeah, but then when he comes back,
It's not gonna drive in. Get it done.
Forward. Forward. Go forward. He front wheel drive. That's where it's pulling from. Matter of fact, don't get out the car. Let me see if you got all wheel drive in them.
yeah, nah, we gonna die. He's saying we should lift it from the back so it has traction from the front because it's front wheel drive. But I'm like, if he reverses it and it hits the ground, it's gonna come straight at it. Like, it's gonna kill us.
We trying to help that crazy ass.
I'm trying to help him out because Jon Jon's like 20 minutes away.
Put the car in park, man.
So much.
That's right. Don't worry about it. I'll pay for it.
Nigga kept good.
I did need some action for today's video.
Yeah.
Let's go for it. Wow. I'm just glad he didn't hit nobody else. Yeah, that boy Jon Jon. This is my tow truck driver, the single cab.
I'm about to pull him that way.
Yeah.
The thing is that, let me see your car's off. Is off.
What? Is it off?
Turn it off.
Turn off the car and get out.
Pull it. It's gonna scratch it off.
That's fine.
Okay.
Just pull it. Pull it.
All right. Just put the car on neutral. Your bumper's gonna hit. It's gonna hit this. That's fine.
So it might come out.
Yeah, I gotta give him the warning because look, he like.
Yeah. All right. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Hopefully, it's not too much damage when he takes it out. Why am I recording? I need content, and he let me too. They let me. And it's publicity for Jon Jon, you know, giving that promotion. Gives me something to record, make the video longer.
Pull his car up.
I was about to turn and go to Camila's little party, and then I saw this and I was like, damn, what the hell's going on over here? I want to record, but I was going to ask them for their permission, and they said yes. I said, okay, here we go, and then I called you. I'm giving you work today, boy. What?
You're a great guy.
Oh, don't worry about it, man. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all jokes and giggles, but then it gets serious. So, don't worry about it.
All right, I'm ready to pull. You ready?
You know, he's getting stuff done real quick. You think he should get out the car? You think he should get out the car?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you can stay so you can just
Go ahead, bro.
The thing is that I gotta get it from a piece of metal that's strong enough so you don't bend it.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Put on neutral. Neutral.
Yeah.
Scared for the bumper. Ooh. It's on there. Oh. Straighten out your wheel. Straighten out the wheel. Oh.
Crash my quick. Crash my quick. Damn. Oh, yeah,
What car is it?
crash my quick.
Thank you, man.
Don't worry about it, man.
I gave him the warning because we knew where he's at.
Dude, you're a great guy.
Hey, just thank you for letting me record. I needed some footage today.
He got out. Hey, I didn't even give it
All right, let's
gas.
go
I just
home.
didn't want to f up his car more than it was going to
Hold on.
It ain't coming back
Hold on. I just don't want it to like scrape and stuff when you're driving.
Man, you f***ed up though,
I
bro.
know, but I made up for it.
Man.
Oh, you're good. Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Don't worry about it, man. Take care, be safe. Next time, just be a little bit more careful.
Let one of us drive.
On red, I'm going for it. Oh, damn, you got that feature too? Okay, you got four-wheel drive.
I ain't turning it on.
And nitrous. Alright guys,
You can't have it going this way, going that way.
today we're gonna make some history.
But it will suck.
By history, I mean we're gonna put that little fucking car on the dyno.
Guys,
And David, if you're watching this, out of the microphone.
Oh my. Are we really about to dyno this car? Hey, 34 horsepower, we're about to hear a car. Yeah. This car makes me cry.
What you say, Jeremy?
We're gonna hook up a spark plug out on this thing. I don't see spark plugs. What is it running off of?
RPMs.
Start it running first and let it run through.
Let the madness begin. Let's see what this little thing can do. I'm sorry, David. I give it a 10.
105, bro.
I give it 10.
I'm gonna give it a little bit of hope.
Made it. Let's see.
Go.
There you go.
34 horsepower.
34? Yeah, you boys. 71. 273. What the f? That was pull number 1.
So in first, was it like doing weird?
How'd you put on first?
Because I thought you wanted me to.
No, baby, just go ahead and hit it right now. Hit it, and then when it's just in third, I'll get it. Go. It's a CVT transmission. There is no gear shift.
There's no 87 torque, 85.3.
I'm gonna make one more hit.
Actually, I'm a little scared now. Looking at 89 torque, 86.3 power, 89.1.
So I'm not really familiar with these cars. It is a CVT transmission, and I didn't catch it until he's like, "There's no gearing," so I feel like a dumbass for not knowing that. But it is a blue tampon on wheels. So
We made history on the dyno. We did it over here at Dark Knight Specialties. And she's alive. She's still alive.
But
Thanks.
when you strap down cars, you want to make sure this isn't enough.
Over here at Dark Knight Specialties, guys, come through. Get your bed liners over here. If you want to have a party, over here's the best way to do it. He always throws out chili.
I don't know if it's decent, but you saw how I had thick.
Yeah. The bitch didn't even waste gas, not even a bar. What the? Oh damn, it stopped raining.
Yep.
Really? Are you kidding me? Hey, open the door! Tomorrow, I can start working on taking out the motor for the GMC. What's going on with Little Blue? How did it fucking blow up?